Okay, here's a video for objective 15 in the money textbook. So if you don't have your money textbook, hit pause, go grab your money textbook, and it will be on page 26 for objective 15. Objective 15 says determine the best buy using the unit price. So this is um, very much related to objectives 13 and 14. So if you haven't looked at those yet, I suggest looking at those first. You probably could do this one without those, but those will help um, with this objective. So um, basically what these problems are going to be is giving you different situations, different deals, prices, things like that, and you need to figure out what is the best deal based just on um, the unit price. What's the best buy, meaning what is the lowest unit price. So they don't take things into consideration like convenience or how much, um, if you have storage for a bigger container or things like that. It's just pure what's the best buy. So number 33 is which price is the best buy for a box of saltine crackers. So you get 16 ounces for $4.99, 8 ounces for $3, or 6 ounces for $2.14. So this type of problem, you just have to do every choice and see which one's the best. So um, $4.99. Remember, for unit price, you take the money divided by how much you get for that money. So $4.99 divided by 16, you get this decimal, round it. So that would be about 31 cents per ounce. Letter B, the math for this is $3. The money goes on top. You get 8 ounces, 0.375 or 38 cents per ounce. Now you probably could eliminate that one without doing the math because this was 16 ounces, this was 8 ounces, so it's half as much. Okay, or when you double this to get 16 and you double this price, you get $6, which is more. So you know if that makes sense to you, you can just cross that one out. But the math for it is over here if you need to do that. And then choice C, 214, you get 6 of them. You divide, you get 0.356666 and so on, which rounds to 36 cents per ounce. So the cheapest price per ounce is right here, letter A. Number 34, JC likes to eat a cup of yogurt at lunch. You can buy yogurt each day from the cafeteria for 45 cents. So if you haven't seen this, the way that the cent sign, that's same as saying in dollars, 0.45. Okay, it's the same thing, so it's 45 cents. Or you can get a carton of yogurt at the grocery store for $1.80. Each carton contains 4 cups, which is cheaper over time. So they don't consider convenience or what's easier, it's just which is cheaper. So your choices are to get one each day at the cafeteria, to buy cartons from the grocery store, or it's the same. So the carton is $1.80 and you get 4. You divide that, you get exactly 0.45 per cup. So that's the same as a cafeteria, so it's letter C. Okay. 35, pepperoni as a pizza topping can be bought sliced or whole, meaning if you buy it whole, you have to slice it yourself, which if you don't want to do that, then you probably buy the slice no matter what, but this doesn't take that into consideration. It's just which is cheaper. So you're looking at all the choices, $3.50 for 6 ounces, so $3.50. You get 6 ounces, 0.583, rounded to 58 cents per ounce. Letter B, $5.29 for 8 ounces, so $5.29 divided by 8, 0.66125 or 0.66. So they're not the same, so C is out. 0.58 is cheaper than 0.66, so letter A. 36, again, very similar to a couple of the other problems. Batteries, you get 20 for $19.85, so money's always on top. Money divided by 20, 0.9925. Choice B, you get 449. You pay 449, you get 4. So you divide that, it's over $1. It's about $1.12. Letter C, 1629, you get 16. 1629 divided by 16, again, you're a little over $1. So the cheapest is letter A right there. Okay, 37 is a little bit different of a problem. It's really the only one here that's a little different. They're painting the ceiling. They need 7 quarts of paint. Each quart can of paint costs $8.17, and a gallon can of paint costs $32.68. How should she buy the paint to get the lowest price? And the hint here is 1 gallon is 4 quarts, and she's going to need 7 quarts. So one way you could do it is just buy 7 quarts. They cost $8.17 a piece, so it costs $57.19. The other way you could do it is you could buy the gallon, which is 4 quarts. Okay, gallon's 4 quarts. So that means you need 3 more quarts to get your 7 quarts, and those each cost $8.17 a piece. So the gallon is $32.68. The 3 quarts, 3 times $8.17 is $24.51. You add them up, you get $57.19, which is the same as here. So the answer is C. Okay, if they weren't the same, you just go with which one came out to be less. Okay, and the last one, very similar to a couple of the other problems. You're looking at cat treats. You get 3 ounces for $1.18. Or 4.5 ounce for $1.77, which is a better buy. So the 4.5 ounce package is $1.77. You get 4.5 ounces. You divide 0.393. 3 ounces is $1.18, so money on top. Divided by how much you get. You divide. You get the exact same 0.393. So they are the same. Letter C. Okay. So that's objective 15. After looking at this video, you may want to go to the money workbook, objective 15. We got like 12 problems here that you could do. Again, you do not need to do all those. If you think you got it, you don't have to do any of them. But I suggest practicing some of them. Check your answers here. If you're getting them all right, you're good to go. If not, you have questions, let me know, and we'll get it figured out. All right.